In this video, I'm going to show you how to book hotels using your American Express or membership reward points. This is a great way to use your rewards to enjoy luxurious stays or save money on your next trip. So first, make sure you are on the American Express website and then log in with your username and password to access your account. So assumingly we have an access to that. So once logged in, go to the travel tab on the top menu and then select use points or book travel from the drop down options, and then you'll be redirected or directed to the travel booking page where you can search for hotels, and then after that enter your destination, check in and check out dates and the number of guests, and then click on the search button to view available hotels, and then browse through the available hotels and select the one that best fits your preference and budget, and pay attention to the options that allows you to use Amex points for booking. So these options will show you the points cost along with the cash price. And when you select a hotel, you'll see a breakdown of cost. If you have enough membership reward points, you can choose the use points option. Depending on your Amex card and account, you may have the option to use points for the entire hotel cost or pay a combination of cash and points. And after that, confirm your selection and proceed to the next page. And after that, review the booking details, including your chosen hotels, dates, and payment methods. Make sure your points balance is correct, and then after that, click book or confirm booking to complete the reservation process. And that's it. That's how you book hotels with your Amex points. It's an easy way to maximize the value of your rewards and save on your next stays. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.